Accidentally deleted a CapCut project? We've all been there, and it can be a frustrating experience, especially when it feels like hours of hard work have been lost. But don't worry, I'm here to help you recover your deleted CapCut project, whether you're using your phone or PC. Before we dive in, here's an important thing to note. CapCut keeps deleted projects in the trash folder for 30 days, giving you a chance to recover them if they were recently deleted. So, if you've deleted your project just now or a few days ago, there's still hope. Here's how you can restore your deleted CapCut project. Let's start with recovering a deleted CapCut project on PC first. Open CapCut on your PC and log into your account. Navigate to the trash folder in the top right corner of the dashboard. Inside the trash, you'll find a list of recently deleted projects. Select the project you want to recover. You'll now see two options: Restore or Delete. Click on Restore to recover the project. Your deleted project will be restored and will appear back in your CapCut dashboard, ready to be edited or exported. Now let's see how to restore a deleted CapCut project on phone. For mobile users, the steps are similar, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure you're logged into the correct CapCut account, the one from which you lost the project. Also, you may need to subscribe to CapCut Pro for full recovery functionality. If everything is set up, here's how to recover your project on the CapCut phone app. Open the CapCut app and log into your account. Go to the library and tap the trash icon. You'll see your deleted project here. Tap on the project you want to restore, and it will be recovered instantly. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted CapCut project, whether on your phone or PC. Here's some quick tips. Act quickly, as you only have 30 days to recover a deleted project. Enable cloud backup on your CapCut account to keep your project safe in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.